G'day, legends. Hamish here. Well, sort of. It's D7. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey into the world of 3D animation. Whether you're a total newbie or someone with a bit of experience, this is the place to be. Ever scrolled through YouTube and seen those mind-blowing 3D animated stories and thought, wow, how do they do that? I wish I could do that. Well, guess what? You absolutely can. What if I told you that dream is within your grasp? Seriously. It's not just a fantasy. Forget thinking it's some dark art reserved for Hollywood bigwigs. You don't need $1 million budget or a team of experts. We're about to bust that myth wide open. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can create stunning animations right from your home. Today, we're diving into creating viral 3D animation cartoon stories. We'll cover everything from the basics to some advanced tips and tricks. By the end of this, you'll have the know-how to take your wildest cartoon dreams and turn them into digital reality. Imagine your characters coming to life and captivating audiences worldwide. So, grab a chalky bicky, get comfy, and let's get this animation party started. It's time to unleash your creativity and make something truly epic. Before you even think about software, you need an idea. This idea is the seed from which your entire project will grow. Not just any idea, but one buzzing with viral potential. It should be something that excites you and has the power to excite others. Know your audience, kids, teens, or even your nan who's just discovered emojis. Understanding who you're speaking to is crucial. Once you've got your audience, brainstorm. Gather your team if you have one, and let the ideas flow freely. Maybe it's a wombat astronaut or a sentient piece of toast. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. The key is to find something that resonates with heart, humor, or pure weirdness. It should evoke a strong emotional response. Look for the shareable factor. What makes someone want to share it with their friends and family? What makes someone think, oh, my mate Dave has to see this? It's that instant connection that makes content go viral. Often the simplest ideas executed with passion are the ones that take off. So keep it simple but pour your heart into it. Remember, the best ideas are those that come from a place of genuine enthusiasm and creativity. Happy brainstorming. You've got your killer concept. That's the first step, and it's a big one. But now, it's time to take that spark of an idea and mold it into something tangible. Now turn that idea into a script. This is where your creativity meets structure. Start by jotting down your main plot points. Your script is the blueprint for your animation. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Think of it as the skeleton that will support the flesh of your story. Outline your scenes, beginning, middle, and end. This will help you maintain a clear narrative flow and ensure your story has a strong structure. Introduce characters, present a problem, build action, and deliver a resolution. Each character should have a purpose and contribute to the story's progression. Include visual cues. If a giant rubber duck falls from the sky, note it. These details are crucial for your animators and directors. Dialogue is where characters come alive. Give them unique voices. Make sure each line reflects their personality and advances the plot. Read lines out loud to ensure they sound natural. Pacing is key. This helps you catch any awkward phrasing and ensures the dialogue flows smoothly. Know when to speed up for excitement and slow down for emotion. This variation keeps your audience engaged and enhances the storytelling. Get it right, and you'll have your audience hanging on every word. A well-crafted script is the key to a compelling and memorable animation. Scripts ready? Time to storyboard. Think of it as a comic book version of your script. Each sketch represents a key moment or camera change. Jot down notes from your script, dialogue, actions, sound effects. Storyboarding is a dress rehearsal for your animation, catching awkward bits before you animate. Meet your stars, designing unforgettable characters. Character design is where you bring your characters to life. They need to be unique, memorable, and relatable, even if they're a three-eyed alien. Think about what makes your character tick. Their backstory, dreams, fears, and habits influence their appearance. A strong silhouette means your character stands out even from a distance. Exaggerate features to enhance personality. Big eyes for innocence, oversized nose for curiosity. Go for it. Design characters that fit your story's theme and tone. Your characters are ready, but where will they live? Environment design sets the mood and tells part of the story. Whether it's a bustling alien marketplace or a spooky mansion, the environment needs to feel right for your story. Building blocks. Getting started with 3D modeling. We're moving from sketches to the 3D world. 3D modeling is like sculpting with a mouse and keyboard. Start with simple shapes and sculpt them into your designs. It takes patience, but seeing your drawing turn into a 3D object is incredible. Start simple, focus on main shapes, and add detail later. Your models have form, but they need color and personality. That's where texturing comes in. Texturing is painting your models, applying digital images to define what they're made of. Once your UVs are sorted, create or apply textures. Layer different maps for realistic surfaces. Your models look great, but they need to move. Rigging gives them a skeleton. Rigging is creating a digital skeleton for your model, allowing it to move. It's like creating a puppet, building a system of bones and joints. Your characters are ready to move. Animation is creating the illusion of movement. Keyframing is setting key poses for your characters, and the software fills in the in-betweens. Familiarize yourself with the 12 principles of animation for believable movement. Animation is painstaking, but seeing your characters come to life is pure magic. Lighting is crucial for mood and realism. Think of it like lighting in movies. It tells a story. A classic setup is three-point lighting, key light, fill light, and backlight. Experiment with different lights and colors to create the right atmosphere. Shadows add realism and depth, elevating your animation. Your scenes are lit. Now capture them with virtual camera work. Shot composition and camera movement impact how the audience experiences your story. Use different shot types and angles to guide attention and build suspense. Thoughtful camera work makes your animation polished and professional. Rendering is turning your 3D data into final images or video. It can take time, but it's where your work solidifies into something watchable. Choose a render engine and settings that balance quality and render time. Compositing combines rendered layers into the final image. It gives flexibility in post-production, allowing adjustments without re-rendering. Add visual effects, color correction, and grading for a cinematic look. Sound design adds life and impact to your animation. Foley, sound effects, and ambient sounds create a rich audio world. Choose sounds that fit your animation style and tone. Give your characters voices with voiceover recording. Use a decent microphone and quiet environment for quality recordings. Record multiple takes and edit for clear, expressive voiceovers. Music transforms your animation, setting the tone and enhancing emotion. Choose music that fits your animation's mood and style. Use royalty-free music or compose your own for creative control. Editing weaves all elements into a cohesive final video. Sync voiceovers, layer sound effects, and add music to enhance visuals. Pacing and rhythm are key. Trim and adjust for the best flow. This is the final polish before sharing your animation with the world. Exporting converts your project into a video file for sharing. Choose settings that balance quality and file size for online platforms. Once exported, your animation is ready to take its first steps into the world. Your animation is ready for its grand debut on YouTube. Pay attention to metadata: title, description, tags, and thumbnail. These elements help YouTube recommend your video to the right audience. Once sorted, hit publish and become a published 3D animator. Your animation is live, but promotion helps it find its audience. Share on social media, engage with comments, and create supporting content. Promotion is ongoing, but seeing your views climb makes it worthwhile. You've created a viral 3D animation. From idea to publish, you've done it all. The key is to start, learn, and have fun. The power to create is at your fingertips. Go on, be bold, be brilliant, and animate something amazing. Cheers!